Hi, I'm Liz, a licensed outrageously professional electrician at Dean's. Are you interested in upgrading your doorbell to a smart doorbell? In this video, we'll show you how to install a smart doorbell. We will install an Ecobee doorbell, which is compatible with an Ecobee thermostat that we use at Dean's to connect your home comfort and security together. The first thing we need to do, obviously, is get rid of this old doorbell. So we're going to take this off of the house right now. All right, it might ring a few times. So for this, hanging this doorbell, we're going to use this wedge style instead of the flush so that we get more of a better view of this lovely entryway instead of focusing on the walls or the pillars or things that don't need to be seen. So we have the bracket on, and now I'm putting this little mounting piece on that's going to affix the actual doorbell safely with the security screw to the house. Okay, so now we're going to connect these wires to our doorbell. It does not matter which terminal you use to put these under. Okay, short little screws here. Go. Just gonna loop the wire under each screw as best we can here. And hand tighten, not to use an impact or a drill to tighten these. I don't want to get it over tight. It's going to be a little tricky, but I think we can manage. And this goes on like this, and then there we go. And there we go. Okay, so now we have our new doorbell installed. We have the power going too. You see it's making colors, so our next step is to follow the owner's manual and whatever apps you have set up in your phone. If that seems like a lot, give us a call. Here at Dean's, we do electrical.